Hey, welcome back. Till now, we have covered the Lambda expressions, the functional interfaces, and default methods. Now, in this video, we will see what are the static methods. From Java 1.8, we can define static methods in the interfaces. Previously, we have seen that we can use the static methods in classes, and we don't have to create any object for using static methods. And that's why from Java 1.8 we can define the static method in the interfaces and we can use it directly. Static methods are generally used as a utility methods. So how can we define static methods inside the interfaces and how can we use it? Let's see it in the Eclipse. Okay, so I will create one class. Let's say test, and I will add the main method too. Okay, I will add an interface and let's say printable. I will add one static method here. So how can we add a static method? Public static void, and let's say I will give it a name print time. So I will be simply printing the current time, and I will add a sysout statement, new date. Let me import the date, Java util date. Okay, fine, save the code. Okay, now this is the test class and this is the main method of the test class. And how can we invoke the static method? So previously when we are using the static method in the classes, we will be giving class name dot and all the static methods are available to invoke. Similarly, here we will be using the interface name. And what is the interface name here? It is printable. So printable dot print name. Okay, save the code and we will run it. On successful execution, we should be seeing the timestamp in the console. So let's run it, and that's it. We can see the timestamp in the console, and that means we are using this print time static method. Now remember one thing, that my test class is not implementing printable interface. Now whether your class is implementing that particular interface or not, it doesn't matter here, because we are using the print time static method directly, and you can invoke print time method like this from anywhere in the code. So that's it for this example right now, and we will see the next concept in coming videos. Thank you.